Take fucking 76.
I'm gonna do a new song now. Alright. Chicken wings and hella grease. Came through popping like a motherfucking stove with a pot. Nigga had a rock. Skirt, skirt. Bitch, watch that watch. Nigga came through, got him hooked on Fox. Nigga hooked on phonics. Nigga, Raleigh just seeking bonics. Nigga, how much dope do you smoke? Nigga came through on a float. Nigga fly like a fucking boat. Whoa, nigga came through out the moat. Nigga dungeon, dragon, crocodile in a phantom. Smoking hella good reefer. Nigga came back like the gatekeeper. Nigga on the gateway. I feel like Project Getaway. I feel like my bitch is gon' run away. Nigga out here acting nasty. Nigga out here getting crucial. Nigga can't see through him. Like a holographic image. Nigga had to write the wisdom. What's up, Ross? You gonna spice it up? Pick it up a notch.
I need another guitarist.
We need a double guitar.